will be needing are 1½ cup flour, ½ cup white sugar, ½ cup milk with coffee, ½ cup brown sugar, ½ cup of ghee or oil, 1½ teaspoon baking powder, and 1 egg beaten. So you're going to put in the liquid ingredients first, except for the coffee, you'll put that in later. And then also the white sugar, you'll whisk it together until it kind of forms a consistent texture. After that, you're going to add the flour little by little. And then once about half of the flour is added in, you're gonna start adding the coffee in little by little until you start to get a more consistent texture and that beautiful brown color. Once all of that is added, you can add in some vanilla extract and some salt as per taste. I only added a pinch of both. Then you will add in the baking powder, for the cake, you will drizzle the brown sugar on top so that it gets a crunchy texture, and add in chopped walnuts as for your taste. Then you will bake for 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's it. I topped it with some banana ice cream, but here's your super simple cake.